Hi friends, this is TKD. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So today in our this session of Trailhead, we will try to get 100 points and see if we are able to score 100 points in the Lightning Web Components Basics module. And we are going to see the Discover Lightning Web Components uh, portion of it, and we'll see if we are able to, if we can sneak in some 100 points into our kitty. And so basically this unit we will be able to explain the Lightning Web Components programming model and what are the benefits of it, and let's see what we can do it here. So as we all know, it's an it requires an component LWC. Lightning Web Component does require HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. And so we will be going ahead. So what we can do here is we'll be using this this e-bikes demo into our playground later, and let's see what is the quiz we have. We can score some 100 points with this quiz. A Lightning Web Component requires which of the following files? Yeah, it requires HTML and JS. And the Lightning Web Component Playground lets you do the following. Try components in your simulated environment. Yes, looks correct to me. And here you go. I got the 100 points. Woohoo. We'll see the next unit. Thank you.